Hi guys, it's Jealous here. Today I'm gonna show you how my Roborock performs on the fluffy carpet in a kid's room where there's lots of small toys thrown on top of it, house, and the charger which mommy left. If you have any question about this vacuum cleaner, please leave me a message and I come back to you. Let's get started. First, mopping the room. Oh, that was nice. Roborock just cleaned Peppa's house. Mama Pig will be happy. Sorry, it was me in my pajamas. Sorry. And there we go. The Roborock just won the battle with the little stool. Nice. Nope, no space for me here. I tried it from the different side. Yep, this way. Here we come. I'm not scared of darkness, as you can see. I'm not gonna pull that. I try to reach each and every part of the house, even though I get stuck sometimes, but only for a second. Here we go, and I'm on the carpet again, no problem whatsoever. A car again, and the house, no problem, I just go over it. This part I missed last time, so I came back to it. Peppa, please get out of my way. anybody pick up this wire, please? I think I've lost or something. Where is that? No, it's not there. Missed this bit last time. Okie dokie, that's it for today. Going back home. Can anybody pick up this wire, please? Here we come. Home time. There we go. And I'm on it. Guys, if you liked my video, please put the thumbs up, leave me a message or subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.